Welcome to our English short and easy learning class. Today's topic we shall discuss about loops. Here the sound of loops is going to be st and a heavy sound of st. We have a small definition to understand these loops. The frequently occurring combination st at the beginning of a word, as in stem, where we have a sound of st and st at the end of words, as in mist and mused, where we have a sound of st and cd ist, are represented by a loop made of the length of the stroke to which the loop is attached. Which means at the beginning, when you write a loop, it gives a sound of st, and at the end of a consonant, the loop is written, which gives a sound of both st and ist. And the length of this will be, the loop will be of the stroke of the consonant. So here some of the consonants are given. So p, st. So p, st, off of the consonant. F, st, m, st, then n, st. So this will be the size of the loop. Now to understand the conditions where the st loop has to be used is that it follows the same rule as that of circle S. Hope you remember the conditions of writing circle S. So we recall these conditions. Here the loop always written first at the beginning and read last at the end. So it's written first, it should be, the sound will be said first at the beginning and last after giving the sound of consonant and also the vowel. The loop will be said at the end and written backward to straight strokes and inside the curves. It should be written backward as that of circle S, this direction, and inside the curves. So inside the curve. This is how we can write the loop. And for some of the following outlines, we'll try to learn the strokes. Ek. So K, a light stroke, A, K, ek. Then sek, circle S, K, A, sek. Stake, the loop st and A, stake. K, K, A, K. Case, K, circle S, case. Cased, K, st loop. So here we have a heavy sound of ist, for we are writing this loop. Mu. Muse. M, circle S, U, muse. Mused, M, stoop, st loop and U. So mused. Ale. Ale. Sail, stale, So this is how the loop gives both the sound of st and at the end both st and ist. And one more condition where we can use st loop is that the st loop can be used medially. The st loop can be used medially as in following words. If we have two combination of strokes, then we can use the st loop at the beginning as per the convenience. We'll try to write the outline for these words by string. So V, st loop, re. Surface tree. Testing. T, st loop, ing. Testing. Jesting. J, st loop and ing. Jesting. Justify. J, st loop and F. So just T, phi. So this is how we can use st loop in between two consonants. Hope you like this video. Keep practicing and also subscribe for the next lesson. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next class with a new lesson. Thank you.